Migrating your entire PhraseExpress installation is easy as 1, 2, 3. Open the main program window, click on File, select Migration Assistant, and select Save Settings and Phrases into a migration file. You're prompted to define the storage location. If you want to move your installation to another computer, it may make sense to use a network-attached storage device or a USB stick to transfer your data. For this example, we store the migration file onto the desktop. In case you have registered your installation with a license key, it may make sense to deregister it from this installation, so you can use it on the new installation. Then you're prompted to optimize your database file, because Phrase database files grow over time because of the nature of a database. Before you save the file, you may want to optimize it. So click on Yes, select the options what you want to clean up, and click Execute. Then PhraseExpress created the migration file, which is a single file. Now switch to another computer, make sure that you transfer the migration file to that computer, and then click on File, Migration Assistant, Restore Settings and Phrases from Migration File. Then select the migration file and click Open. Confirm the action. And PhraseExpress restores all your settings and the phrase library. The migration is completed. By the way, you can also use the migration feature to create full backups of your PhraseExpress installation.